Hello, in this video, we will learn about new feature, advanced zip codes, enhanced in version 7.3. Let's have a look. We have introduced a pattern for the admin to configure a wide variety of zip codes, very efficiently and quickly, through which, along with comma-separated values, the admin will get the option to use wildcards. For example, at the front store, once the customer enters any zip code, then the codes will be searched according to the initial constants and can handle all possible future values. Now, there will be a trash icon given, along with every zip code. Thus, making it easier for the admin to manage and also eradicates the pain of scrolling the zip code list. Under flat shipping method, if the shipping setting is zip code based, then admin gets the option to enter the comma-separated zip code values and wildcard character. There will be help provided for the same. For local pickup shipping method, in address section admin will get to enter the wildcard formatted zip codes. They'll also get a help section for the same. Thanks for your time to watching this video. Have a nice day.